Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make baked pear and dried cherry crumble. Toss together the pears, cherries, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, cornstarch, cinnamon, and nutmeg in a mixing bowl. Then transfer to a baking dish. To prepare the topping, in a bowl, combine the flour, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, salt, and mix together. Then add in and combine the butter or margarine until a mixture is crumbly and well incorporated. Stir in the shredded coconut and sliced almonds. Then sprinkle evenly over the fruit mixture. Bake until the top is golden brown and the juices have thickened, about 20 minutes. Serve with your favorite ice cream or frozen yogurt and enjoy. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.